Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. I'm going to make a short video here and share my experience with the P&S Xpress Sidekick Interior Scrubber. I picked a pack of these up. You get two of them for $21.60. They are 7-inch by 5-inch, two in a pack, 20% polyamide, 75% polyester. One's still brand new, one I've been using, and I've cleaned a few cars with it. The fibers, the stitching, everything holding up so far. Just let me give you an example of where and how I would use it. On any textured, hard textured plastic surface, any dirty interior with vinyl or leather as well, especially textured, just like this. Now they designed this to go with their Xpress Interior Cleaner. You can use any cleaner. I'm using Kraken from Phoenix EOD, but you want to mist it right into the mitt itself. And it keeps the cleaner to the surface of the pad instead of wicking into the pad and making the palm of your hand wet. There is a plastic liner. So mist it with the cleaner, and then in circular motions, clean that textured or rough plastic, and the short nap fibers will get in there, and they're the perfect balance of being stiff enough to get in and clean the valleys of the textured plastic, but not being overly aggressive when you get to your more intricate and delicate materials in interiors, especially leather. And then you simply follow up and mop up any remaining moisture or dirt with an older microfiber. You can team the tool up with the steamer to really be effective. You can also team it up with many different types of chemicals, including interior cleaners or rinseless washes, such as O&R. The plastic sills on the kick panels here, a perfect example of a great way to clean them with this tool. They are textured. They're mostly always a textured type of hard plastic, and you can easily clean them with the tool. They work great on really beat up, dirty leather as well, especially the textured, perforated leather. It's really all there is to it. It makes interior cleaning quick and easy. The material holding up is the true test with the moisture and the harsh chemicals. But now you can continue on, and I can get the rest of this interior clean. Great on areas where you rest your arms, center consoles, or the rest areas for your elbows on this door panel, body oil, suntan lotion, and it does a great job there as well. Do my best to give you a close-up using the scope of the materials that make up the pad. These are the wrapped edges here, which hide the stitching that holds the pad together and protects delicate materials in the interior. We slide in further at the business end of the pad that's covered by tiny microfiber scrubbing fibers. And this is what gets in the valleys of your perforated and textured plastics, vinyl, and rubber. And the other side of the pad is just your common standard microfiber. It's a pocket that you can insert your hand and it cups your hand for a nice firm grip. Now, if you could hear this up close, that's the sound of a plastic insert that keeps the product to the surface instead of wicking into your hand. And again, this is going to replace my worn out Star scrubber, which is a similar tool. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. I can highly recommend. Let's see how it holds up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.